how to put your car on a lift. All right, so there'll be a tutorial, right? You're in the lift bay and you want to make sure that your jack points or lift points, excuse me, are placed correctly. Now, if they're not placed correctly, your car will teeter-totter or worse, fall off the lift. So I'm going to show you to place it where they need to be. Now, if your car's lower, you can turn it and lower it. See how as it gets lower? Or you can raise them if your car is too high. You're going to want to extend it out. And then get under your car. And your jack points are going to be these ones right here. See that? Now, of course, it's chewed up from the regular jack, but this is where you need to put them. Once you have it set right here, you want to make sure it's matching on the other side as well, which is over there that I already set. So there's no need to show you both sides, but I will walk around the car and show you. But what I mean by I don't need to show you both sides is setting both sides. Just make sure they match and are equal. All right, once this side is done too, I just moved it over. As you can see it right there under. See it? Make sure it's lined up that way. And same with this side as well. Lining up correctly from end to end. All right, once everything is good, you're gonna come up here, press the green button. Now, it should be the same on different machines as far as like what button to press, right? Now, going down will be slightly different, whereas you might have to pull this, but we're not going down. I'll show you when you pull down, but you press up. Right? You don't press up all the way. Once you do that, you want to walk around, make sure that nothing is pinching, and then you can continue lifting it up. So we're going to look around, go under. Nothing pinching. There. See? Everything looks good. Continue to go up. Now going up all the way, your car is lifted up, everything else is good. All right, I'll show you how to go down. You're gonna hold that down and press that down, and simultaneously, and then your car will lower down. All right, to lower, you just have to pull that down and press that down, and then your vehicle will come down. Now, some you just have to press this button. Once it comes off the locks, then you just press this down. It won't have a release latch, which this is probably an extra safety feature. But I'll try to show you while recording with one hand. So lift up, pull down, and then press the latch. And then you'll see your vehicle go down. See that? Just like that. Once it's all the way down, just remove the lifting points and you're good to go. All right, hope that helps y'all.